Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up an advanced Discord verification system for spam protection. Yeah, if your server keeps getting spam or bot attacks, having a strong verification system is essential because, honestly, basic verification alone often isn't enough to keep your community safe. So first, go to your server settings and open the moderation or verification section. Set your verification level to medium or high so that new members can't join and spam instantly. Next, add a verification bot like Wick MEE6 or Carlbot. Yeah, these bots can require new members to complete tasks like reacting to a message, answering a question, or passing a CAPTCHA before they get full access. After that, configure role restrictions for unverified members. Limit what they can see or do, like no posting in main channels or sending links until they're verified. Also, enable automated alerts for suspicious activity. Yeah, bots can notify staff if multiple accounts join at once, if someone fails verification repeatedly, or if unusual behavior is detected. And yeah, set up timed verification checks. So if a user doesn't complete verification within a set period, they can be automatically kicked or muted to prevent spam accounts from lingering. Finally, regularly monitor and update your verification system. Most of the time, combining verification bots, role restrictions, and alerts keeps your server protected from raids and spam. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.